I wake up every morning feeling so alone. I'm surrounded by the crowd, but nobody calls me home. I try to reach out to the world, but nobody hears my voice. I'm just a whisper in the wind, a silent, invisible choice. I'm an invisible soul, living in a world of pain. I'm a ghost that's lost its way, forever in the rain. I'm searching for a light, a guiding star to lead, but nobody sees me, nobody needs. I try to make some noise to break the silence and the pain, but my words are lost in emptiness, and nobody hears my refrain. I'm a shadow on the wall, a fleeting thought that's gone. I'm a moment in the darkness, a spark that's never strong. I'm an invisible soul, living in a world of pain. I'm a ghost that's lost its way, forever in the rain. I'm searching for a light, a guiding star to lead, but nobody sees me, nobody needs. Maybe someday someone will hear my voice. Maybe someday I'll find my choice.